Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are continuing the CB750 project again. In today's episode we have rear tire installation to wheel. We mess around with chain line, with new sprockets, offset front and normal rear. We are spacing the rear axle and test fitting brake caliper. And if you stay till the end you will see one more test. Well, kind of. I hope you enjoy so much that you will subscribe to my channel. This is from Kawasaki Z750 from year 2006, as is the rim. So it should be straight fit with the rim. There is also pads and everything in, so we can check the fitment correctly. So let's go and check if we can fit this to the frame. And remember that I have also the new sprocket to it, so why not put it in and check the chain line at the same time, so we truly get the right spacing for the rear wheel. So the new one is JD sprockets. It's 530, as is the front sprocket here. I'm still waiting for the offset sprocket to the front. And the first question is which way it goes. This way, because there is small, it's not center. I will put this way around because it will bring the chain line nearer towards the wheel where I should get it. Let's try it this way first. I got my new offset front sprocket in the post, and it's 5 millimeters offset to the outside. Let's see how it fits and how do we get the chain line correctly or centered or straight with this one. So this is the way that I can fit the brake caliper I'm thinking that I'm going to cut this piece off from here, drill a hole over here somewhere, and then I will create the support bracket that goes from here up to here. That's the plan at the moment. But if you have some kind of idea that I could use, I would be more than happy to hear it. Not sure what I'm going to do next. I have plans for the seat and also plans for the headlight. But that's all, guys. Thank you again for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this one. And if you are not subscribed yet, please do so. It will help my channel to grow and also motivates me to push forward with these bikes that I have. See you later, guys.